Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, thank you for tuning in. I am Charmise Idris with Charmed Bath and Body, and I'm bringing you another Charmed DIY. So please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so that you can be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, so today we're going to make milk bath, and although it's not the same type of milk bath that Cleopatra used, this milk bath does help with sunburn, dry skin, eczema and psoriasis, and it also helps relieve itchy skin, and plus it's just overall calming. So you're going to start with 1 cup of powdered milk. I use coconut milk and it does come pretty clumpy, so you're going to want to break apart those clumps first. And this is the type of coconut milk I use. I get it from Amazon. I will put it in the description below. Then you'll add 1/4 cup of colloidal oatmeal or bath oats, and it's also called oat flour. It's just really ground up oatmeal. This is the type that I use. It is also from Amazon. Next, you'll add 1/4 cup of Epsom salt and mix it all together. So next I added the rose and chamomile. You can just add the amount that you would like, and then you can also leave it out if you don't want that. It just also adds to the calming effect. So I crushed it all up with my mortar and pestle, but you can also put it in something that'll just grind it up, or you can keep them whole. Then add the flowers to your mixture and make sure it's all mixed up. And from there, all you'll have to do is just add it to a container. I got this one from Michael's. So if you don't want the chamomile and rose petals just floating in your bath water, or you just don't want to have to clean it up later, you can either leave them out or you can add them to a mesh or canvas bag. So what I'll do is take about 1 cup of the mixture and put it in this mesh bag, and then have it sitting in the water, and it leaves no residue.